What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel. Now before we get into this unboxing video, I just wanted to say thank you all so much for 5,000 subscribers. I truly did not ever think that my channel would get to this point. And you know, I know there are a lot of guys out there who have like millions of subs and whatever, so I'm like nothing to them, but to me this is huge and it's super exciting. And so I just wanted to say thank you for all your continued love and support. I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos and I'm enjoying making them. So you know what, why not? Let's see if we can get to 10K or beyond for 2018. I think that's a good goal. Now with that being said, I do have the January package from Trendy Butler here, so let's crack right into this thing and see what we have. Oh, and in case you guys were wondering, that shirt that I got from them last time that was a little bit too small, I did ask them about that and how the returns or exchanges kind of work. And they said they're just going to include, that was like a mix-up at the factory and they just sent the wrong size, but they said you can keep it and we're just going to send another shirt in your next package. And this January one had already gone out, so it'll be the February one, I guess. So that'll be cool, so we'll see what happens then. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. So we've got what looks like a purplish, burgundy kind of pair of jeans, maybe even chinos. These might be chinos actually, that's exciting. And a kind of heather textured, I don't know if you can really see that on the camera, but it's black with like tiny little lines of dark gray in there. It looks like a hoodie, probably. So let's open this up and see exactly what we got. Alright, so this is definitely a hoodie. Let's see, this is from 11 Paris. I've gotten some stuff from them before. Feels nice. It's like not too heavy, but not too thin either. I think this would be nice for like layering underneath a leather jacket or something maybe. It is a size medium, so that should fit me perfectly. And let's see. Well, that's cool. I like the design on the back. Let's see how well you can see that here. But that's just a cool little detail. And now the front here. Very nice. And now let's take a look at these. Okay, so Stitches jeans, made in the USA. This is the Barfly Slim model. I really love this color. This is like right up my street, kind of that like dark reddish purplish color. Love it. And they do look pretty nice and slim. They are the right size for me. Okay, so it is a stretch twill slim pant, and they're calling this whiskey. I don't know that I would call this color whiskey. I consider whiskeys to be kind of a golden brown color, but nevertheless, the buttons are kind of whiskey colored, I guess. But nevertheless, they look really nice. So, and obviously these two things would go together nicely. So let's try them on, see how they fit. So I really like the fit of the hoodie. It's not bulky at all, so it fits nicely underneath a leather jacket like I thought. The pants fit nicely, they're great in the waist, they are nice and slim through the leg, although they're not so slim that they're tight or anything, they're quite comfortable. They are a little bit too long in the inseam, but I have that problem frequently and it's not a big deal for me. I just roll them up a little bit at the bottom to go up over some boots anyway. So overall, I would say that this January box was a success. There you have it, guys, the January package for Trendy Butler, and I'm pretty happy with this. You know, I'm always a fan of jeans and hoodies, and I like these two colors. Obviously, they go well together, and they will pair nicely with plenty of the other clothes in my wardrobe. I wear a lot of those type of color schemes anyway, so they'll be easy to match with other things. That wraps things up for this unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that button so you can keep up to date with all the upcoming content that I have. And I do have a lot of it. I have a lot of stuff basically backlogged in my queue for videos to make. So plenty of stuff to watch coming down the pipe. And as always, thanks for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.